Today I thought I would show what the Rizoma rear tail lights with integrated indicators look like fitted. This is on BMW M1000 R 2025 model, but I believe they work on the S1000s and the M1000Rs from 22 onwards. So I bought the no cut kit. Ended up having to actually cut some of the wires and then solder them together. They provide everything in the kit. I actually bought the extensions. These come 3 centimeters, 30 mil wide each side. I thought 30 mil wide looked a bit too big, so I cut these down. It's not straightforward to cut these down because of the internal thread, but I did that, and they're roughly about 21 mil each side. I had to do that to make them compliant in Australia. They have to be 180 mil apart, and without these extensions it was about 170 mil. Plus without the extensions I thought it looked a bit weird. They were a bit too close, didn't look symmetrical. If you do notice any flickering, that's not the lights, that's just the camera and the frame rate not playing nice together. So that's my bike. It's a non-comp model. I'll shove the indicator on to show you how that looks. Hopefully it comes up okay in the camera. I can't really show you the brake lights. I can't reach. Maybe I'll put the camera down on a tripod. I'll do that to show you. If I brought my tripod, I'll work something out. Alright. Hopefully that is coming through. Alright, it's all done in one take. I'm not going to edit or anything like that, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with those. Personally, I probably would have liked if they were a tad bigger, but that's pretty cool. Looks nice and neat. I'm not going to worry about a tail tidy on this model. I think standard it's pretty good. And a few things coming more for it. So I've got matte carbon fiber wings coming for it, bar risers, bar end weights, and lever protectors. But unlike a lot of people, I haven't had any vibration on my handlebars. But maybe I'm not going fast enough. It hasn't been broken in yet. Done about 400 k's. But I've come from a speed triple, and yeah, this handles a lot better. I love my speed triple, but yeah, this is probably just taking it a bit further. Well, definitely taking it a bit further. But anyway, back to the Rizoma LEDs. So we can get a bit closer for people. And let's see if I can show underneath what that will show. Probably doesn't show, apologies for that. That's all tucked up. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask. I did have to reach out to Rizoma for instructions. They had instructions for the LEDs, but they didn't take in consideration you had the no cut kit for this, for the BMW M1000 S1000s. So I had to contact their support, and they gave me instructions for the no cut kit, so you can ignore everything else, and then everything made sense. Otherwise it was really frustrating. Anyway, cheers.